Forgot to take a video of this cool thing. Look, ideal type soldering gauge. It's pretty much brand new in the box. It's got the sprocket crawling all over it. Instruction book. Don't eat the padding. Don't eat the padding. Yeah, it's brand new. These ones work pretty well too. The one I borrowed from Polar, this little edge right here where my fingernail is pointing, it was pretty worn down, so it was difficult to set that's your line where you set like the bottom of the H to that, and then you match all the other letters up to that ledge. But you got to have a good edge on it so you can slide, and this is magnetic. This will hold the slug in place, and then you clamp the bar down and pushes into that. This bolts onto the ribbon lifter in the back. It's very cool. Instruction manual is nice to have. Midget in size, giant in service. Soldering types without removing type bars.